Welcome back. This will be a short and video of less quality than my other videos because it's just an update. I wasn't really going to make this video, but I thought you were eager to know what was happening. So the reason it's taking so long, I've been mostly doing research on do-it-yourself nickel silicon carbide plating, but I've also been acquiring some stuff needed for the plating. So, first up, I've got a new batch of our dyno boards. Came in just before the weekend. So if you want a board, send me a mail. There's info in the description, and I'll ship you one. Let's see here. So I've been acquiring some stuff. First up, I dug up my old aquarium pump, which will be used to agitate or circulate the plating solution. I also got hold of a lot of these small tanks made of polypropylene. Anyways, that's fairly chemical resistant and can take high temperature. I also received some stuff here, which I will talk about in a later video. And I bought a power supply if I'm going to do the electroplating thing, but I also bought a test kit, a small kit of chemicals and some glassware to try electroless nickel plating with silicon carbide in solution. Now first I started researching electroless nickel because I thought that was the only process used for NIKASIL, but later I realized they also do that by electroplating. And electroplating, even though there's more stuff involved, like a power supply and anodes and stuff. Had to relocate because my girlfriend came home and claimed the TV sofa. Where was I? There's various pros and cons for electroless versus electroplating nickel. The main reason I want to go for the electroplating route is because an electroless nickel bath needs to be held at around 90 degrees Celsius. And that's kind of hot and produces a lot of fuming, and nickel fumes are poisonous, toxic, and to obtain the proper thickness of the plated layer, the cylinder will have to be submerged in that hot bath for maybe 5 hours. So 5 hours of hot nickel solution fuming is kind of not that bad if you make a fume hood and have a scrubber and stuff like that. But electroplating does not produce that much fumes, and yeah, it's just more manageable. So I'm going to try the electroless solution, and I've ordered some stuff for electroplating. I'm going to try that too. I've ordered a larger electroplating kit because I think that's what I'm going for. 2 cylinders are being machined by Hollander as we speak. I won't reveal any details, so more on that in the real upcoming video. I'll also be talking much more in detail about the plating process. Just like when I was learning Fusion 360, I've almost exploded my brain with chemistry and plating stuff. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'm running kind of low on cash, so if you want to support me by Patreon or just donating via PayPal, I will be. It's much appreciated. I will be very happy. It's kind of holding me back at this moment. Yeah, but anyways, we'll get through it. Thanks for watching.